Welcome back to MS Tech. Today we'll be taking a look at what claims to be an antimicrobial keyboard, which during times like these can come in pretty handy. Today we have the Adesso Easy Touch 630. Let's put this bacteria safe keyboard to the test and see how it does. Starting off with the unboxing, it honestly wasn't anything special. Inside you find the keyboard and a little manual. That's pretty much it. My first impressions of this keyboard was wow, it had some pretty large text on the letters of the keycaps. It also looked very bulky when I took it out of the box. Now the design of the keyboard is pretty straightforward. You have a 104 key layout, you have your numpad, you have 2 flip-up feet, and 4 grips on the bottom.
It is very sturdy and built like a rock. Dwayne the Rock.
This keyboard is designed to be in messy offices, warehouses, or workstations because it has some pretty durable features. It is IP67 waterproof, so water spillages are going to be doing absolutely no harm to this keyboard. Here's a quick little spill test. Take a look for yourself. It also claims to be oil proof, which I guess if you ever spill some oil on your keyboard, you're safe. And the keyboard is also dust proof. Those are some of the sub features, with the main one being that the keyboard is antimicrobial, so germs are not a problem. Here's a quick keyboard fact you may not know from Matt himself.
Studies have shown that your keyboard is 20,000 times dirtier than your toilet.
When it came to the actual typing experience while using this keyboard, it was pretty interesting. The keyboard has membrane switches, which honestly felt pretty good while typing. But I will say that the bulkiness of the keyboard does make it a little bit uncomfortable at times. Here's a quick sound test of the Adesso Easy Touch 630. Enjoy. In the end, it all comes down to what you want. If you're looking for a keyboard that could keep you safer during times like these, then this could be a good option for you. If you're someone who spills a lot of liquids on your keyboards, this may also be good for you as well. But for $30, it really isn't a bad buy at all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this type of content, drop a like and subscribe. And also check out our channel, Tech Barn. The link to that is in the description below. All support is appreciated. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.